Om Namah Shivaya. Namaste. So now let's talk about the third Rashi, Mithun Rashi, which is also known as Gemini in Western culture. So first, origin and background of the Mithun Rashi, from where it origins and what is the background of it. First, zodiac position 60° to 90°. Third sign of the zodiac, which represents communication, intellect, duality, and curiosity. This Rashi corresponds to Mrugashirsha, Adra, and Punarvasu Nakshatra, symbol twins, which represents duality, versatility, and curiosity. It is the natural third house of Kal Purush Kundali, representing communication, courage, siblings, and efforts. Here are some key attributes of Mithun Rashi. First, ruler means Swami. It is Mercury, which is Buddha. Element Tattva, air. Vayu Tattva. Quality Rajo Nature Dviswabhav. Two types of nature. Dviswabhav Rashi it is. Direction West, Paschim Disha. It is good for this Rashi. Exaltation means Uch. Rahu is exalted in Mithun Rashi. Debilitation means Neech. Opposite Ketu is debilitated in Mithun Rashi. Thank you.